For today's video, we are going to discuss about flowchart symbols. Flowcharts can provide a step-by-step diagram for mapping out complex situations such as programming code or troubleshooting problems with a computer. The following are the basic flowchart symbols. The first one is terminator. It is the start or stop. It indicates both the starting and the ending point of the process. The symbol is oval. The next one is process. It is a box that represents an individual step or activity in the process. The symbol is a rectangle. The next one is decision. A diamond shows a decision point such as yes or no, or go or no. Each path emerging from the diamond must be labeled with one of the possible answers. The symbol used is a diamond. Next is the connector. Connector is a circle indicates that a particular step is connected to another page or part of the flowchart. A letter placed in the circle clarifies the continuation. The symbol used is a circle.
The next one is sub-process. Sub-process is represented by a rectangle with double lines on each side. It is a major process that could be broken up into a simpler processes developed into another flowchart. Here is the symbol for sub-process. Input or output. A parallelogram represents input or output. It represents material or information entering or leaving the process, such as customer order, which is input, or a product, which is output. Here's the symbol for input and output. Arrow lines. Arrow lines are drawn in one direction, preferably from top to bottom. To keep a flowchart clear, avoid arrow lines that loop because this could indicate redundancy in the business process. Here are the symbols for arrow lines. Delay. It indicates a delay in the process. For example, wait for 1 day. Here's the symbol used for the delay elements. Next is triangle. It shows where an in-process measurement occurs. Here's the symbol for the triangle element. There are things that you need to remember when writing a flowchart. When drawing a flowchart, every stage should be listed out in logical order. Same as the example on the right, you started with a terminator, followed it with the input or output parallelogram, next with a decision, and ends it with a terminator or the end. Another thing that you need to remember is that the flowchart should be clear, neat, and easy to follow. There should not be any room for misunderstanding or ambiguity. Only one flow line is used with a terminal symbol. When starting your flowchart, the flow line leaves the terminal symbol, just like on the example here. When completing your flowchart, the flow line enters the terminal symbol. Only one flow line should come out from a process symbol. Only one flow line should enter a decision symbol, but 2 or 3 flow lines may leave it depending on the options that can be chosen.